You have never seen paella made like this. We are on the wild coast of Huelva, matching the deep smokiness of Spanish pimentón against 100 feet of pure orange sandstone. This is the ultimate spring paella. The rule is simple. Build the flavor where the environment meets the pan. We flash sear fresh prawns for 60 seconds to lock in that sea-sweet flavor. Then toss vibrant green spring asparagus into that exact same oil. Lock in the color, pull them out. Drop the heat into that prawn-infused oil. Melt your onions and garlic. Bring in your grated ripe tomato and sweet pimentón de la vera. This is your sofrito. You must be patient. Let it fry until the water completely evaporates and the oil splits from the paste. That dark paste is the entire soul of our dish. Find the full technical breakdown at e1paella.eu. Now, we flood it. 1 liter of rich fish stock meets a heavy pinch of crushed saffron. Let this rolling boil ride completely on its own for 10 minutes. The goal? Infuse the broth entirely before a single grain of rice ever enters the arena. Bomba rice goes in. 1 gentle shake to level the pan, and then we don't touch it. No stirring. Let the rice absorb the broth naturally without releasing starch. 8 minutes on high, 10 minutes on low. Toppings back on. Crank the heat to high for the final 90 seconds. Listen to that sound that is the oil frying the bottom layer into a flawless, crispy Socarrat. Kill the heat. Damp towel on top. Let it rest. Pure texture, intense flavor, absolute perfection. See you at E1 Paella. EU. Buen provecho.